we've got another one. Let's go.
1520 car.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm trying to sleep here, dude. Goddamn cops got no respect.
I'm not full of fucking Canadian good.
Bob, why are you wearing that crazy hat?
I don't know. He must have walked over here to here, and then back here.
Hey, keep the crowd away from the body and bring in the paramedics.
Yeah, all right, whatever, man.
Damn.
Hey, guy, you can't sleep here.
What's this Christmas wrapper?
Come on over here.
Okay, guys, you know what to do with the body, right?
Yeah, of course.
Bob, you're my best friend, you know.
Yeah, it's you and me, buddy.
You and me and this dead guy.
Hey, do you have any clue of what to do with this guy?
I think we should bring him up to the roof.
All right, sure.
Okay, all right.
Have you ever seen Sleepless in Seattle?
No.
It's a great flick. I cried and cried.
Wake up! Let's just shake him for coins.
Ah, screw it. Let's go.
I just love your mustache.
Let's just throw this guy off the roof. Jesus, look at him fly.
He's somebody else's problem now. Chief, we've got another body.
Jesus.
Yep, same place as the other ones.
We must have a serial killer on our hands.
I'm not dead, I'm just playing.